how to diaper a stuffed animal. We got these Babies R Us diapers for free to try from Influenster. And today we're going to show you how to diaper a stuffed animal. Right? Okay.
Okay.
Here, you might need to help me. I can't keep the camera straight. Can you undo the diaper?
Yes.
Yes.
You could do it, Mom.
And the diapers, one thing I like about them is they have these leak guards in here. Those work, huh? Are they good? Yep. Got a stretchy waistband there, another thing I like. And they do seem to be quite absorbent, so yes. No complaints. Lift them up and then scoot the diaper under. Then pull the diaper up. Finally, attach these guys. Ready to go. All done. Easy.